March 31st. Spring is spring, of course, and everything. And as you can tell, my little hayfield's starting to green up. A little breezy, sorry about that. And I've had enough rain. I got water standing in the little hayfield. But what I'm most excited about is the fact that, looking down here, there's actually some new growth grass coming up. Unfortunately, I didn't get this thing mowed for a third cut. So of course you got this dead stuff laying on top of it, and hopefully it ain't smothering out too bad. But anyway, it's a real quick thing. Thought I'd show you the hayfield, give you an update on it. And secondly, I'm gonna stop here a second and I'm gonna step over to something else. I'm gonna piece together this video and I got a question. So hang on a second. Alright, here we go for a little bit more. Alright, several years ago I bought this John Deere 407. This would be a gyro mower, rotary cutter. Anyway, it's a precursor to the 709. It's a 7-foot cutter. And I've had this thing for several years. Problem is, I hit something with the blades, and I need, sorry about that, I need to locate parts shop for you, a slip clutch assembly for it. Now I've tried to look on John Deere, and what I really need is item 7, if I remember right, which is, let me see, hang on, clutch holder plate. Now what I've done, I've hit something off in the weeds, shouldn't have hit, but that item 7 there, that holder plate, that goes onto the shaft out of the gearbox. The keyway is where it let go, I believe. But anyway, I'll go inside and I'll show you what the slip clutch looks like after it got hit. The bad thing is, I'm cheap. From what I got in the mower, for the price I saw Deere wanted for a complete clutch assembly, and they didn't really, and it's old enough they didn't have the individual parts on their website for it, so I didn't call. I haven't went further with it. It's been like this for, I don't know, 8-10 years, whatever. But it's a good mower. I hate to get rid of it. They didn't put new blades on it back then. But gearbox is good on it. Blades are brand new. Tail wheel's still good, but I'm thinking about trying to get a clutch for it, parts for it, and fix it. Give me a second and we'll show you something else on it. Okay, here we are. Alright. This is a slip clutch. And granted, it's all rusted up and stuff now, but this is a slip clutch off that mower out there, that 407. And when I hit that thing off in the weeds years ago and thought I'd fix it, tried to find a price stuff and didn't want to pay the price to fix it. So it's just sitting there in the nowhere out of the way there. But anyway, as you can see, the clutch didn't slip. It actually, you know, sucks, but it broke. It broke this all right here. Broke it out there. So yeah, I need that holder piece and the nut that goes on there. So the two things I need for it. Now I've been told I could probably go to Rural King, buy the slip clutch they sell there for about $150 or whatever. But my concern was, I thought that, I think that shaft might be tapered, but I think it isn't. I think it's just straight shaft. So if I go buy that, I'm going to buy that plus the PTO shaft for that, because well, I don't see it here. I think I'm missing something. The way the PTO shaft bolts on with this, it bolts on with 4 bolts to the assembly and goes, if I remember right. But anyway, yeah. Dead soldier. That's the question. The question will be, would one of you viewers just happen to have this style mower sitting in your puke weed, scrap pile, whatever, that have a good slip clutch assembly on it? Didn't all tore up. If you would, I'd appreciate potential maybe get hold of you and see if we can do some horse trading or something. You know, maybe buy it off of you, and maybe I can try and get this mower back to runnable shape, and I can put it on my 806, and you can watch it mow horse lot and hayfield and all that stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna stop there with that. As always, thanks for watching. Appreciate you if you subscribe. Comment, rate, subscribe if you want to. I appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one.